involved. Anybody keeping track of it, you can't see it anyway. What if it's something like the square root of 2y minus 3 equals the square root of y plus 5? What if there's square roots on both sides? How does that change anything? Undo what they gave. What did they give you?
They give you radicals, so you give them the
Not just a radical, a special radical, they gave you square root. How do you undo a square root?
you square root it.
No, you square it.
Oh, right.
Because if you square root a square root, then you're going to end up with a fourth power. Do you really, or the fourth root? Do you really want to deal with the fourth power?
I don't think so.
Fun. It would be challenging. I don't think most of your classmates would describe it as fun, but that's okay.
Well, I was.
So, does this make a difference? Let's see, squares and square roots undo each other. So what do you got left on the left-hand side? 2y minus 3. On the right-hand side, y plus 5. What can you do now? Don't overthink it.
You solve for y.
How? What are you going to do to solve for y?
You get y to one side.
How?
Wait a second. Hold on.
I always deal with
Minus 5.
y's first.
Oh.
That's just, you know, between
But
you, yeah. You.
Oh, right. Gives you the
Wow, really? You had that kind of a mental oops. I really don't like the name of the word brain fart. I mean, that part of your body should have, those two parts of your body should never get near each other. Because if they do, then you got your head up your ass. Do you really want to be known that for that? Oh, I almost put 2. That would have been embarrassing, wouldn't it?
You've been so embarrassing.
Does that work?
I mean, it comes down to a positive number.
Well, can you check it?
Yeah.
2y minus 3. Does that equal y plus 5? Let's see. We're going to put in 8 for y. Two times 8 is 16 minus 3 is the square root of 13 on the left. On the right, 8 and 5 is 13. Square root of 13 on the right. Is that okay? What if you do get negative? What if you get a negative?
Then it's wrong.
You have to throw the answer out. Remember when we did things back in chapter whatever it was? If you had this, I don't even care what's on the top. X squared minus 7x plus 12. If you got an answer of x equals 4, we had to throw that out because it would have made the bottom blow up. Same idea here. If you get an answer that makes one of any of the exponent or the square roots blow up, then you throw it out. Let's see, where shall we go next? Oh, how about something like that? What if you have something like, where I wish I had my